half ripened rambutans there you can see on the trees. And this tree is there in the house which is next door to mine, and anytime I can actually eat rambutan because in the village areas people actually helping each other. And even though I eat those rambutans without informing them, it doesn't matter because they are not going to scold me or don't actually worry. It's not a worrying fact for them. And if I go to his house, and he will actually pick more rambutans and hand it over to me for my consumption. So these are rambutans. Still not ripe. See one.